The weather has finally warmed up, so you know what that means. Let's get grilling. Joining us are two nationally acclaimed barbecue chefs, Eric Gebhardt and Jacob Lubers, showcasing the newest grills from Komodo Joe and Masterbuilt, along with surefire recipes that will wow at your next cookout. Hello, guys.
Hey there, and happy grilling season. Chef Eric here with my good friend Jacob Lubers. We're standing next to two of the hottest grills this summer. I want to introduce you to the Komodo Joe Connected Joe. All right, we're cooking with natural lump charcoal, not gas, which adds no flavor, and not pellets, which can't get up to that high temperature. We're talking an artisan product where your fuel source is your secret ingredient, really.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Chef, talk us through the digital aspect of these grills.
Yeah, the digital aspect, I know the Komodo Joe does it well, and this Masterbuilt as well. Just makes that, some people get intimidated by some of those more traditional charcoal grills. We're making it easy here. So easy to light. Then once we have it lit, we can go any temperature we want, low to slow. We just dial it in. You can use the phone app. You don't have to worry about it. Walk around, go about your day, and you know your grill's doing what it needs to be doing.
I like to tell people a couple of tips for cooking for a large group. If I'm doing 4 or 5 steaks or more, get that larger roast, all right? These are both best in class, low and slow and fast and furious. So we can put a little smoke on there, take that roast to just below where we want it to finish, and then hit what we call the barbecue pause button. The Komodo Joe and the Masterbuilt do a great job, and then we're gonna slice those steaks right in front of people, sear them. We're gonna crank those temperature up with the digital access. Big, bold, blistering sear. Any thoughts on how to cook for a large crowd?
Yeah, when I'm cooking for a crowd, I always like to make sure they're always eating. So if we're doing something low and slow, whether it's like these ribs up here, some pulled pork, some brisket, that's gonna need some rest time. So we've already got the charcoal lit. Well, let's take it up to those high temperatures and get some appetizers going, some steak bites, wings, smoked cream cheese, get everybody eating, get them warmed up for what's gonna be the main show.
So for more information on these gorgeous grills, check out komodojoe.com and masterbuilt.com. And I just don't have enough good things to say about this. From our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling. Back to you.
Thanks for the hot takes, guys.